Hello everyone, cordial greeting to Dr. Jessie. My name is Marta Cecilia Gonzalez Molina. I reside in the Bogota city, but now I am in Bucaramanga city with my daughter and my granddaughter. I am a psychology student, and today I'm going to prepare a parfait. Parfait is a French term that means perfect. A parfait is a mixture of several nutritious, natural, and fresh ingredients. The ingredients that we will use it are the following: strawberries, cut into pieces like this, mango, cut in pieces like this. This is big. This is the small pieces. Isabella grapes, banana slices like this, granola. This is the granola, and Greek yogurt. It's very delicious. Now let's start with the preparation steps. First step: cut the fruit like this, small pieces. The second step: place the granola in the bottom of a plate. In this case, I prepare the granola before. This is the granola. The second step, the first step is add the Greek yogurt. Here is the Greek yogurt, and the fourth step, place the fruits on top of the yogurt. The fruit pieces like this. I prepare 3 parfaits, one for my daughter, other for my granddaughter, other for me. It's very several nutritious, natural, and fresh ingredients. If we can add some protein at the moment, we can prepare some delicious eggs, cook it to your liking, like this, and we can add cheese. It's a perfect breakfast for start the day, for the kids, for the adults, for all the family. It's very delicious. Thank you, Dr. Jessie. Bye bye.